Hi friends, how are you? My name is Ashok. Most of us think that we are lazy, we are careless. Today, I will prove you that you are not lazy, you are not careless at all. Most of us think that they are lazy. In fact, nobody is lazy or nobody is careless completely. Let me tell you why. Let us say you are lazy to wake up early in the morning, and I'll give you a few scenarios. Let us say your favorite movie star is coming to your place or a place near to you. All your life you wanted to see and meet your favorite celebrity. Now tell me, would you just sleep off or you will wake up at as early as possible to get ready and meet your favorite celebrity? You will never wake, you will never sleep off. And let us say your sister or any of your family member, your best friend is coming from other city and you have to go to a bus stop or a railway station to pick them up at early in the morning. In that scenario, also you will never sleep, you will wake up. And let us say your movie star is coming and you slept very late at night. Would you sleep? No. And even if you do not have alarm, no matter what is the weather, no matter what time you slept, you will still wake up and you will do what you wanted to do. So what I mean to say is, for each and everything what we do in life, from cleaning the room to getting a clean shave and getting dressed up well, for each and everything we need a strong reason and a strong motivation. This is for sure. Let us say today morning is my marriage, and at any point of time, at anything, no matter what the condition is, I will wake up early and get ready at to the my best of my effort. And let us say now you can say that for everything we need a strong motivation and a strong reason. Now you might be thinking like getting a marriage, getting married, or any friend coming from other city or movie star coming to your place. These things do not happen every day. This happens once in a while, so we can get adjust to it. So how to get up early in the morning every single day and to do all the activities perfectly in every single day? That is the question that is coming to your mind right now. So now what we need to do is, before we sleep, before we sleep, we need to give ourselves very strong reason for each and everything what we are planning to do. Let us say you want to wake up early in the morning again. So before you sleep, you have to give all the strong reason to you, as strong as possible. Let us say, like most of us wants to help our parents, and so this can be one of the strong reason. And when you wake up early in the morning, let's say just 1 hour early than your usual time, so you are getting 1 hour extra. You can spend more time with your family, and no, none of your family members or friends will complain that you're not contacting them. You can contact them very easily and stay in touch with them, and also you can plan and work for your goal. Let us say even you're dedicating 30 minutes per day for your goal. That means you're dedicating at least 5 hours per week. That is like 30 hours per month. So that's a lot of time for your goal, and also you're getting lot of time for fitness, and you can go for early morning walk. So when you wake up early, so you don't have to panic for the shortage of time. So this is the thing, like you first thing, we need to convince ourselves very very clearly. Unless we convince ourselves, let us say even our parents or a wife or husband is forcing us to wake up or to do any particular thing, and your family member is forcing you to wake up, or you're forcing you to study hard, you're forcing to do something. So these things will not last longer because you're not convinced with that particular thing. So that will once they stop asking you to wake up early, you will definitely stop it. Okay, so the only thing that can motivate you, that will keep you going, is you, only you have to decide completely that yes, I want to change and I will change. These are the reasons I have for it. So let us say you're lazy to study, so you have to tell yourself that I am not going to waste my parents money. So if you are lazy, so you may not you get the higher education, or you have to pay a lot of money to get your higher education. These are the things that you have to tell each and every single day to yourself, until your mind or your subconscious mind is 100% convinced. Once your subconscious mind is convinced, it can do wonders for you. So now the thing is that no matter how many motivations videos you watch, how many thousands of motivation stories you read, this will last only 1 day or 2 days. So after that, all the we will get back to our regular lifestyle. That should not happen. That the only way to you can stop that is by deciding yourself. And there is one more saying. So no matter if you want to practice something, let's say if you practice it for 21 days, that will become a habit. Even if you want also, you cannot stop it. So this is the thing. So you decide yourself what you want to do, so you can get rid of all the laziness or carelessness, anything. So by telling yourself every single day, the best time to tell yourself is just before you sleep. Just before you sleep, when you're off sleep and off awake state, that is when you can pass all the strong positive messages to your subconscious mind. So one more thing is that whatever you think just before sleep, your mind will be thinking about that till you wake up. So always give positive suggestions when you're just sleeping. So and also when you wake up, and that time, you most of the time your mind will be so refreshed. So that time also you can give positive suggestions that these are the things I want to do, and these are the things I am convinced completely, and I am doing for myself and without anybody's force. These are the things that you can do. Once you start doing that, if you do it for just 21 days, so that will become habit, and your life will change forever. And from if you practice this today, and your life will definitely change. And I wish you lot of luck and lot of success. Thank you.